everyone. Today I'm presenting my service learning project. So, who I chose to help was my grandmother. I chose to help my grandmother because I love her and like to help her whenever I can. COVID-19 made me worrisome to volunteer anywhere else, so I chose her and it turned out to be perfect. I would do daily tasks for her such as vacuuming, washing the dishes, tidying up, and more. This would help her stress less each day about what she needed to get done. I would stop by after work every day, wearing a mask of course, but sometimes if she wasn't in the house, she would let me take it off, or if she stayed 6 feet away, sometimes she doesn't mind either, and I would help her for around 20 minutes on a task she needed help with. I have no idea the exact amount of hours that I've been doing this for because I do it usually Monday through Friday for the past month. I was just happy to see her every day and be able to share conversations with her. So after work, I would go to her house basically and ask her what she wanted to get me to do for her, and she would give me chores. And actually, the other day, I had her take pictures of me doing chores for her, which is kind of funny. So these pictures of me doing the dishes and vacuuming, dusting for her, and I know it's gross, but you have to do the litter box, it's a chore. And then this is her lizard, Gerald. It was actually my sister's, but now she takes care of him. And I go to the store and I get Gerald his worms and I feed him his supper. So yeah, this is him eating his food. He has a paper towel and a box for his stuff because he always poops all over his stuff, so it's easier just to throw it away, just in case you were wondering. The effect on others. My grandmother was helped through this by easing her stress. It was also good to see her all the time and keep her company. I would say this helped her emotionally by giving her company and physically by doing tasks for her. My work affected others by making it feel like I am there for her and that I can give her a helping hand on anything she needs done. The effect on me. This experience affected me by making me feel like I am important to someone and like I was doing something good. I learned that helping others can not only boost them but can boost you as well. My views changed to someone who is very self-focused and driven to someone who realized that helping others is a good thing as well. Benefits I received was self-fulfillment, becoming closer to a family member, and a mood lifter. It definitely increased my self-happiness, and I plan to try to do this every day after work. Conclusion. Whether it is your family member or a stranger on the street, helping others can change your thought process and who you are as a person. I'm very close to my grandma, and even helping her out with at least one simple task a day makes me feel proud of who I am and what I choose to do with my free time. So that is my service learning project. I hope you enjoyed and thank you for listening. Bye!